Hi everyone, welcome back to another Oasis quick tip video. Today I am going to go over the project editor section in Oasis. So let's begin. First I want to do is click the Oasis icon and select projects. Once you are in the project section, select file, new project. Now that I am in my project identification page, I am going to start by filling out my information. So today we are going to call this Panther Stadium 78. My location will be Cabot High School, and I am going to add Arkansas as my state. This box allows you to select what type of project this is. I am going to select an educational one, and this box allows you to select the time and date that the project bid. So on the left is going to be the date, and on the right is going to be the time. Lastly, this box is going to allow you to select what work group you are wanting to work from. I am going to go ahead and continue on with ABC. This page brings us to the specifiers, specifically the roles that you can add onto your project. Here are the suggested roles, and here are the other roles you may pick from as well. I am going to stick with an architect, and I'm going to do from customer 1, ABC123 as my contact. Lastly, this page is the final page before you enter your project editor section. You are able to add search keys to this. I will not be doing it today. I just want to add that if you are wanting to add your search keys, you need to have these configured prior to creating the project. So here is our project editor view where you can begin working out of. So I'm going to fill out a row for you guys and show you some really cool things. So here, as you can see, as I was typing in BPL, the manufacturer I was trying to reach, it also shows all the other B manufacturers that are already configured in my Oasis desktop. It also does this for the catalog section as well. And once again, this all pulls from the Oasis desktop version. So once I do that, I notice there are some columns I don't really need. So I can remove those, and as you can see, it auto-populated. And I actually have a project that has already been created that I want to work from and show you guys some cool features. So I'm going to pull that up right now. So here's the project I have created prior to the other project. And so here I want to show you some really nice functions in here. You can actually add a row right between these two if you wanted. So I'm gonna add a row, and I want to add another part in, and so I'm going to choose BPL once more and choose Moonlight. You also are able to remove a row. So as you can see, I have a duplicate and I accidentally made a mistake. So all I have to do is click this icon and it removes the whole row for me. Now that we have done that, I am going to want to add a code to this. So let's say I wanted to add a win code. I'm going to add a row in real quick, and then I want to do win. And as you can see, it applied my win option for me. Here, this icon allows you to condense everything under the win option. And if you click it once more, it allows you to populate everything under the win option too. Once I have done that, I noticed that I'm missing a column that I would really like called the description column. So to add that, all I have to do is hover over a column, push the plus sign, and type in description, and it will then auto-populate for me. And once again, these are all pulling from your Oasis desktop price list. So now that we have done that, I want to show you the formula section real quick. So if you select level 1 formula, the whole column will highlight, and here you can say that I want to do a 10% markup on all my prices. So to do that, all I have to do is type in 10, select apply, and it populates 10 down the whole entire column. And as you can see, it auto-calculated all my prices for a 10% markup right here in this column. So now that I've done that, let's say that I want to print it and send it to a customer. And so I'm going to select customer quote, and here you are able to choose what you want to populate on your quote. So you can select, deselect any items that you see that may be of use to you. Here I'm going to pick what manufacturers I want on my quote. So if I only wanted big price list to show up, I can deselect Tesla lighting and vice versa. So once I've done that, I am going to select the customer I want to add to this project and who I want to send it off to. So I'm going to select, you can either type it in here and I can add Chris, or you can select the add button and then I can find someone in this section as well and add a couple roles if I wanted. And I'm going to select Kate Test and I'm going to push OK. So once that's done, I am allowed to select which customers I want to send this to specifically. So let's say I just want to send it to Chris, I can check the box. And here, if you select download draft, I can see a print preview of what my project looks like. So once you have made sure everything looks okay, you can select next, and this will bring you to the final page. Once you're on this page, you can submit your customer quote from here. First, you may want to customize your message or change the subject. But once you're good with all your stuff, you can select send and it will be sent off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any further questions, please call us at 501-843-6750 or email us at support@oasissalessoftware.com. Thank you and have a great day.